Of today's function, Ms. Naseem ma'am, revered president of the event, Mr. Rabbani sir, and my dear friends, a very good afternoon to all of you. It's a great pleasure to stand before you and share my experience with you. First of all, I would like to extend my warm thanks to sir for organizing this event. At first, I was little nervous when it comes to speak English, but now my grammar concepts are clear and my confidence level has increased. I really enjoyed the course of spoken English from Rabbani sir, and I learned a lot from sir, and I make many friends there. As we know that his way of teaching is excellent and understandable. He helped me out to overcome of my fear of speaking in the English language. I am very grateful to sir. As we know that Rabbani sir, who is only expert in English language as well as a great professor, he has been very patient with us and always very supportive. He starts from basic and gradually gets into advanced topic. He is the best and perfect teacher in this world. I remember the famous quote, "The best teacher teaches from the heart, not from the book," and you are one of them, sir. I really want to dedicate some lines for you. ज़िंदगी के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, ज़िंदगी के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, बंद हो जाए सारे दरवाजे नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप, सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं ज़िंदगी जीना सिखाते हैं आप. Sir always used to say that to have a passion to learn anything, and the most important thing is to have a vision in your life, not dream. Anyone knows why vision is so important in our life? So let me tell you, my dear, because dreams end when we open our eyes, but the vision is that doesn't let us sleep. So do remember, have a vision in your life, so follow it till you reach your destiny. I conclude my speech with two motivational lines which is said by Allama Iqbal. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर. At last, it's my duty to say thanks to sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to enhance my leadership quality, and thank you guys for listening. Have a good day. Thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest, revered President, respected guest of honor, and my dear friends, a very good morning to you all. Today I am going to tell about Rabbani's English Academy spoken course. Shall I start? I am lucky to join this class, and sir is very good as well as kind-hearted. My English is improved and also improved my knowledge and communication skills. Respected Rabbani sir telling us the things of knowledge. Sir also has a YouTube channel, Rabbani's English Academy. Rabbani sir try to spread a good English through this academy. I am a big fan of Rabbani sir's English pronunciation. Rabbani sir very close and friendly with us. I spent my previous time at spoken English class as fun and knowledgeable. Rabbani sir's teaching is very good, and in fact we get interest to learn more. One thing I would like to share with you, before joining this class, all were nervous to stand in front of the student, but today everyone can stand and present without any hesitation. It happens becomes of Rabbani sir because he trained well. On behalf of all students, thank you Rabbani sir for his brilliant teaching. Now I conclude my brief speech by saying that we have to work hard and practice, then we can speak like Rabbani sir. With this beautiful शायरी, let me take my place. इल्म अमल का शौक़ बढ़ाते रहेंगे हम, इल्म अमल का शौक़ बढ़ाते रहेंगे हम, सोए हुए दिलों को जगाते रहेंगे हम. थैंक यू. I would like to call Ms. Neha to present ceremony. Give a huge round of applause for Honorable Chief Guest.
Honorable Chief Guest, revered President, and guest of honor, and my dear friends, a very good afternoon. How are you all today? That's wonderful. I am Miss Neha Bankapur. I am a student studying first PUC Arts at Nehru College. My aim is to become a nurse. About my family, my father is building engineer. My mother is housewife. We are 6 siblings, 5 sisters and 1 brother. About my hobbies are playing games, reading books, listening music, etc. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and thank you all of you for listening me.